Today we are going to talk about a beautiful, magical lake which needs our attention. During this COVID time, we decided to explore a nearby lake, Tarakund. It is around 27 km away from my village Pabo, which is about 29 km from Podi. This lake is situated at a tracking remoteness of about 5 km and it is accessible throughout the air. There are many routes to this lake. We started our journey from a village called Kadai Kande. It is around 5 km track. This track is surrounded by evergreen forest of pine, devdar, oak and rhododendron, which is locally known as buras. This is one of the easier track in the Himalayan region and hence I recommend it for first timers. Though the track is very rocky, a track with all colors of Mother Nature, vibrant, serene and fascinating. However, the vertical climb is rewarded by the mysterious lake surrounded in the clouds over the colorful flower beds with bird's eye view of lush green meadow and snow-capped Himalayan peaks in the front. On this path, you can enjoy the rocks. One of them was looking like a whale mouth, and so we named it as a whale. This area is abundant in the mica ore. That's why the stones on the way were shining like a star. This whole track is glittery because of this mica. On the way, we saw many water streams and a variant color of wildlife. We saw eagles flying in the high sky. We saw wolves over there. There were many houses on the way for livestock of nearby villagers, for cows, goats and buffaloes. These are termed as kharak. People have also built so many ponds for their animals. We visited Tarakund on the month of February and it was a flowering season of buras. These vibrant red colored flowers were decorating this track like a bride. After trekking for 2.5 hours, we reached our destination. Here, let me tell you a secret. If you will ask any Pahadi about distance, they will always answer in terms of the time. Means, कितनी दूर जाना है? अरे बस 5 मिनट और 2 मिनट और लगेंगे. And Tarakund Lake is a small, pristine, and the only lake in the Pauri Garhwal region of Uttarakhand. This lake has great mythological significance. Local people believe that Bali's wife Tara Devi came here to do penance during the Ramayana period. All the temples in Uttarakhand has a story related to the Pandavas. It is believed that this temple was built by Pandavas during exile in a single night. During the Shravan month, this place becomes flooded with local peoples who came here to worship the Tara Devi and Lord Shiva. Tarakund is well known for its shimmering lake and a revered ancient temple. Trek to Tarakund is truly captivating and attracts a huge number of tourists from all over the world every year. Thus, the enchanted Himalayan destination of Tarakund more than satisfy both the tracker tourist and the pilgrim. Tarakund Lake is sited at the height of 2200 meter. This lake is somewhat around an irregular polygon in shape, mainly southwest and the northwest side of the lake receives direct sunlight for the maximum time in a day. This lake is covering an area of around 4300 meter square. We enjoyed this trek a lot, but there was something that disheartened us. It was the water quality of the lake. Tarakund is a small, pristine lake, or you can say it is a magical lake located in the Pauri Garhwal. Local residents, tourists, and wild animals are entirely depending on this lake to fulfill their water requirement. But in the past few years, due to the climate change and excessive human activities, this lake is facing a high rate of degradation and instantly needs to be conserved and managed. Lake is also a source of water for wildlife such as barking bear, fowl, rabbit, leopard, along with the livestock of nearby villagers. There are several factors responsible for degradation of this Tarakund lake. These are soil erosion, climate change, overgrazing, negligence, improper waste management, and lack of awareness. Tourists also disturbs the lake to an extent by dumping the garbage into the lake that decreases the integrity of the lake. Let me ask you a question. What are the essential resources for our survival on the planet Earth? I think you all will answer these are water, soil, minerals, airs. Without these resources, we can't imagine a life. But nature has provided all these essential resources for free. And we always take it as a granted. So it is request to every tourist and every person on earth that don't pollute our natural resources. Don't dump your clutter in these pious lakes and rivers. Your tiny effort can make a huge difference. वो कहते हैं ना, if a butterfly flutters its wings in Brazil, it could cause a tornado in Texas. So, are you ready to make these small changes?